Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to remove zoom profile photo from your Android phone. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment zero. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So guys, if you are using the zoom application, so as you know, there is a no option to remove your profile photo. You can only change your profile photo, you can't remove. But if you want to, in order to remove your zoom profile picture, you have to use your browser. So I use Chrome browser. You can also use. Now you have to sign in your Google account, your Zoom account, or you can sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. So I just sign in with my Google account. Okay, so I just this account only. So you can see this is my profile photo. You will this is my profile. Okay, so now in your case this page will be not open. The page will be open like this. Okay, so now you have to go in this option, line option, and go to the, just scroll down and go to the my account. In my account you will see your all details like photo and name and all. Now just you have to click on this photo, and here you can see the delete option. You can delete it and just click save, and your profile will photo will be deleted. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.